Hi, how are you today? We are going to draw the flag of Zimbabwe. Let's draw the flag here. It has a rectangular shape. Now we are going to draw a triangle in the middle. Okay. All right. And we're going to fill up some stripes. Okay. So this place at the middle is going to be the dark stars, then red. Okay. Another stripes here. Then stripes for two other colors. Okay, one is here and another one is going to be here. All right, so it has a present symbol in the middle here, which is going to be a red star. Okay, and a yellow bird which is present here. Okay, so we're going to draw the bird symbolic presentations. All right, and the stars is going to be filled up with the red colors. The other places in these parts is going to remain white. And now we're going to fill up the right side with other colors. So let's put the red color in the stripes first. Okay, stripes of the red color you can see, and in the middle you can see the dark black color. Then again you can see the red color. Then the yellow color. Another yellow color here. Okay, and green color in the last end. There's a lots of combinations you can see in a single flag. But it looks good after drawing. Each flag is looks good, and each flag its own flavor. Each flag has different characteristics, different styles, different meanings. So much for the history. All right, filling up the black borders here. Then the red borders. Then the green borders. Okay, so this flag is going to be very good. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.